The Lord is my shepherd, I won't be afraid. You lead me through mercy, your love never fades. In fields that are green where my weary soul rests, you carry my burdens and quiet my chest. When the world runs wild around me, your voice is all I need. Your voice is all I need. You make me lie down in peaceful places, beside still waters. I see your grace, and every step I take, you're guiding me through. My shepherd, my shelter, I belong to you. Through valleys and shadows, your hand holds me near. You calm every storm and silence my fear. My cup overflows with kindness and light. You walk beside me through every night. Still waters, green pastures, your goodness follows after. I will trust forevermore. You are all I'm living for. You make me lie down in peaceful places, beside still waters. I see your grace, and every breath I breathe is safe in your truth. My shepherd forever, I belong to you. I belong to you. Oh, I belong to you. I belong to you.